Rolling. Go.
Fouling bright Phoebus adorn the plain. It was down by Lough Erin's shores I met with this beautiful dame. Her voice, it was so pleasing, these beautiful notes she did sing. Innocent fowl of the forest their love unto her they did bring. It being the first time I met her, my heart did leap with surprise, for I thought that she must be no mortal but an angel that fell from the skies. Her hair, it resembled gold tresses, her skin was as white as the snow, and her lips were as red as the roses that bloom around Lough Erin's shore. I heard that my love was eloping, these words unto her I did say, oh, take me to your habitation, for Cupid has led me astray. Forever I'll keep the commandments, they say that it is the best plan. Fair maids who do yield to men's pleasures, the scriptures who say they are wrong. Oh Mary, don't accuse me of weakness, for treachery I would disown. I will make you a maiden of honor, if with me this night you'll come home. That I, the lamp of great Aladdin, his rings and his genie what's more, I would part with them all for to gain you and live around Lough Erin's shore.
Nice. Good one.
That sounds great.
Good take.
That's so good.
One take.
Let's do it, boys.